Mora Takt Plan, a company dedicated to helping projects run efficiently, safely, and on time. Learning is not just how to design and build structures, is learning how to manage complex projects, which is where a solid methodology becomes essential. Here is some things about construction and methodologies for continuous improvement. 1. Problems in construction. Construction is a complex industry, and projects face challenges every day. We can break these down into two main types. External challenges. These are factors outside the project team's direct control. They include issues with suppliers, delays in material delivery, fluctuating costs, and of course, the unpredictability of weather. Bad contracting systems and unstable markets can also create significant problems. Internal challenges. These are problems we have more control over. They often involve a lack of coordination between trades, project managers working in silos, and safety issues on the job site. Rework, unplanned overtime, and a lack of clear communication also contribute to chaos and inefficiency. 2. Methodologies and tools for improvement. To tackle these problems, the industry has developed various methodologies and tools. You've likely heard of a few of them. Lean construction, a philosophy focused on maximizing value and minimizing waste. Waterfall and critical path method, CPM, a traditional, linear approach to project management. Agile methodology, an iterative and flexible approach used in a variety of industries. Takt methodology, a production-based system that focuses on creating a consistent rhythm or beat for a project. First planner and last planner, two roles that divide planning into strategic, first, and tactical, last levels. All of these play a role, but for true transformation, we need a system that integrates them all. 3. The 5 S's. Creating a predictable and efficient project starts with having a predictable and orderly workspace. The 5 S's are a foundational tool from Lean that helps us achieve this. They're a simple yet powerful framework for keeping the job site organized and safe for everyone. Sort. Remove unnecessary items from your workspace. Set in order. Organize and label everything. Shine. Keep the area clean and tidy. Standardize. Create rules and procedures to maintain order. Sustain. Make the 5 S's a daily habit. These simple steps make a job site safer, more efficient, and less stressful. 4. The 8 wastes. The goal of Lean is to eliminate waste, as it costs a project time and money. On a construction site, this waste often shows up in 8 common forms. For example, a project can suffer from defects, which is work that needs to be redone because it was not done correctly the first time. We also see overproduction when we build more than is needed at a certain time, often cluttering the site. You've probably also seen people simply waiting for materials or for another trade to finish. This is a common and costly waste. We also face waste from non-utilized talent, failing to use the skills and knowledge of our team members. Unnecessary transportation of materials and excess on-site inventory that clutters the space are also major problems. Finally, you have waste from excessive motion by workers and from extra processing, which means using more effort or a more complex process than what's actually required to get the job done. 5. Takt methodology, building with rhythm. Now let's focus on a methodology that directly addresses these problems, the Takt Construction System, TCS. Mora Takt Plan is built on this system, which organizes a project around a predictable beat. Takt time, the rhythm or pace at which work must be completed in a zone. Takt zone, a specific work area, sized to ensure a balanced workload. Work density, the concept of leveling the amount of work in each zone, not just the physical area. Takt wagon, a package of work, often for a single trade, that fits within one takt time. Takt train, a sequence of trades, takt wagons, that move together through the zones. Flow, the continuous rhythmic movement of the takt train. Buffer, strategic pauses built into the schedule to absorb unexpected delays without impacting the final deadline. The Takt Construction System is a holistic approach to managing projects. 6. Takt versus other methodologies. So, how does TCS stack up against other methods? Takt versus waterfall/CPM. Takt replaces the rigid linear critical path with a flowing path of critical flow. It includes buffers, making it more resilient to delays. Takt is focused on time and location, not just time and activity. Takt versus Agile. Takt brings the iterative planning of Agile to the entire project, ensuring that the rhythm of the work is constantly being refined and improved by the team. Takt versus Lean. The Takt Construction System is a direct implementation of Lean principles, providing the framework to reduce the 8 wastes and implement the 5 S's on a project-wide scale. The Takt Construction System is a powerful integration of these ideas, designed for the modern construction site.